Welcome to the historic Harwelden Mansion, a bed and breakfast and event venue located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, overlooking the Arkansas River. My name is Jez. At our events, we use a variety of creative napkin designs to add a touch of elegance to our table settings. Today we are showing you how to fold a napkin into a delicate rose, perfect for a bridal shower, afternoon tea, or a summer party. We like it best with a red napkin, but it can be done with any colour. You're going to start by unfolding your napkin and refolding it from corner to corner. After you get it just right and set it down, you're going to do a series of mini folds, about 4 of them, that are about 1.5 inches thick. Leave a 3 to 4 inch flap at the top. Turn the napkin to have the long strip facing you and start rolling it up. Tuck the end into the closest crease. Grab the 2 excess flaps and pull them to opposite sides. Finally, turn the napkin over and adjust those flaps, or leaves, to look exactly how you'd like. So there you have it. Stay tuned for more videos that demonstrate some of our other popular napkin designs, and check out our Mansion How-To playlist for more videos about how to experience a taste of the mansion life from the comfort of your own home.